Write down three important formulas related to the perimeter. Okay, so to find the cost of fencing is any type of fencing. Okay, so cost of fencing is equals to perimeter times cost per unit. Cost per unit is given like centimeter, meter, whatever unit is given. Okay, you can find it with this. Second important is, suppose only costing are given in the question and you have to find the perimeter. So what is the formula of perimeter when costing is given? So perimeter is equals to total cost of fencing over cost given in the dollars, rupees or any currency. Okay, you just write the total cost of fencing over cost of per unit, or you can say that rate, dollar per unit, dollar, rupees, anything. So this is these two very important formulas related to the this. Okay, and round you can find it. Distance covered by walk, athlete is running in 2 round, 3 rounds. So you can multiply this perimeter, you will get the number of rounds. Okay, so this is the simple thing, right? You can find it in the boundary. So perimeter of any closed figure is the length of the boundary of the figure. So basically based on the perimeter we have done today all type of perimeter questions. Okay, any doubt?
No.
See, so the question is based on perimeter, but the different type, basic concept we have already learned in the previous class, right? So now this question is, find the total distance covered by an athlete in 5 rounds. Okay, keyword is here is 5 rounds. Okay,
Yeah.
of a rectangular park that is 50 meter long and 37 meter wide, right? Rectangular park which is length is given 50 meter, wide is 37 meter. Okay, now the question is,
Yes.
you have to find the 5 rounds of the rectangular park, basically total distance. So length of the park is 50 meter, width of the park is 37 meter. It's given information. Now perimeter of the rectangle is, as you know it, perimeter of rectangular park, which is 2 times L plus width. So 2 times length is 50, width is 37. So I am writing the direct answer, which is 174 meter, right? Now,
Yeah.
this is for the 1 round. Perimeter is covered the boundary only for the 1 time. Okay? But my question is not 1 time. My question is, you have to find the total distance covered by the athlete in 5 rounds. So this is for 1 round. Okay? Now come to the another part. The part is distance covered by the athlete in one round.
870.
Yeah, that's correct. Athlete in one round is 174 meter. Yeah. Now the distance covered, yes, the same thing you have to find in. So distance covered you have to write like this, okay? By the athlete in 5 rounds. So we are using the unitary method here, okay? 5 rounds. So how you will write it? 5 times 174 meter. So you have to find the total distance. So total distance is 870 meter, as you said, which is absolutely correct. Yeah, that's correct. So we are finding the 5 rounds. Start from A, B, C, D, A. 1 round. A, B, C, D, A. Second round. A, B, C, D, like that. Okay, so 5 rounds. So we will multiply with 5. Okay. Now the next question is, the second question is, a square piece of land has a side of 80 meter. This is the square. Side is given 80 meter. 2 layers of metal wire are required to fence it. 2 layer, okay? 2 layers. So very important, whenever we have the keyword, always be highlighted.
1,440.
Yeah, wait. The price of the metal wire is $10 per meter. Per meter. Per meter means 1 meter. So you have to find the cost of total fencing. Okay, the cost of the fencing. So how you will find it? First solution. I'm starting the solution. So side is given, which is 80 meter. Now perimeter of square ABCD is, what is the perimeter of square? 4 times side, right? As you know it, 4s. So 4 times 80, which is what?
72.
320 meter, na? How 72? What are you?
Oh, 4 times 80?
Yeah, 4 times.
I thought you
Yeah.
said,
Now the
I
next.
thought you said 80.
So we found the perimeter here, okay? The first round. Now the question, read the second line of the question. 2 layers of metal wire are required to fence it. Means you will find the, so length of metal wire required to put up a,
I thought you said 18.
no beta, 80. Okay, so required to put up a 2-layer fence. 2 layer, na? Yes, 2 layers fence around the square piece of land. So when we have to find the 2 piece of land, then you will multiply 2 times perimeter. So perimeter was 320 meter. You will multiply with the 2, you will get the 640 meter. So 640 meter metal wire required to put up a 2-layer fence around the square piece. This is your half more than half question done. Now the next part of the question is find the cost.
640 times 10, 6,440.
Yeah. Now we need to find the cost. So price of metal wire what is the price of a metal wire is $10 per meter. $10 per meter for the cost, the price of the wire. So you have to find the total cost of fencing. Total cost of fencing is perimeter multiply by cost. Okay, so perimeter multiply by cost. So cost is 10. In this question cost is 10. Okay, if some other question may be the different number, so you will use the different number. Okay, so perimeter times cost. Always remember the formula. Okay, whenever you have to find the costing of any thing, then you will multiply perimeter with the cost. So perimeter was 640 meter and cost is $10. Okay, then just multiply it, so you will get the $6,400 required to fence it. Okay, understood the answer? How
Yeah.
come? So basically in this questions we have covered three parts. First, side is given, we have found the perimeter first, then there is a 2-layer wire required, so we will multiply with the 2 and then find the cost. So we have done three type of things in one question. So first find the perimeter, then the rounds, how many rounds required of wire, there's 2 round of wire required, so multiply by 2 and then find the cost. So the third question is different. Okay, so what is the question? The cost of making a wooden frame for a picture at $8 per centimeter is $240. If the length of the picture is 8 centimeter, find the width. You have to find the width in this. Okay, so there is a rectangular picture frame. Length is given, which is 8 centimeter. Width we need to find it here.
I haven't wrote the question, but
Okay, fine. So cost of fencing the picture is $240. Rate of fencing is given $8 per centimeter. So how you will find the perimeter? Because without finding the perimeter you can't find the width. Only length is given, no perimeter is given, no width is given. 2 part you can't find it in the question. So first this will help for finding the perimeter, because total cost of given in the question, and rate of fencing is given in the question, right? Here is given at per centimeter, and here is given total cost. Length is given, width we need to find it here, right? So in this question, first we will find the perimeter of the photograph. So finding the perimeter of photograph, the formula is total cost, whatever given in the question, okay, in dollar, in rupees, in any currency, okay, over per dollar, rate per dollar, per rupees, per dollar, whatever. So per dollar centimeter. This is the formula of the perimeter when cost are given. Total cost are given and one particular thing cost is given. So the total cost was 250 and the per cost is given, which is $8 per centimeter. You will be dividing this, so you will get the perimeter is 30 centimeter, because unit is given in centimeter. Always check your all the unit must be same, because here given in the centimeter, here given in the centimeter, everything is given in the centimeter. Okay, if any unit is different, so first make it the same unit, then continue the question. Okay, now so 30 is your perimeter, 30 centimeter. Now we have the perimeter. Now the next part of the question, how you will find the width, because we have the length, we have the perimeter, right? Now only width we need to find it. So how you will find the width?
So 30 minus 16. And
Yeah.
then you get
Divided by 2. Yeah, that's
and
correct.
then you divide that by 2.
Absolutely.
And then you get 7.
So let the width of the picture be x. We are assuming your width is x. Okay, so easy to understand. And length, is given already. It's a 8 centimeter. So the formula of perimeter is 2 times L plus B. This is your formula of the perimeter of the rectangle, right? Now perimeter of rectangle. So perimeter we already found it with the help of rates given in the questions. So perimeter is 30. Perimeter is 30. 2, length is 8 plus B. B we can substitute with the x, because width we have taken x here. We have assumed B is x. Now you will use the distributive property here. So it will be a 16 plus 2x.
Wait.
2 times 8 is 16. 2 times x is 2x. Now as you told, 30 minus 16 over is 2x, and 13 minus 16 will be 14, right? So 14 is 2x, so x is 7 centimeter and x is our width. So that means your width is 7 centimeter. So this is your width and width is your 7 centimeter. We found it. Okay. So the question is given in the different form. There is no length and width are given. There is a costing are given. Total cost and the per centimeter cost. So maybe here in this question it's given per centimeter cost. In other question may be given in the per meter cost, per millimeter cost, whatever. Per means for 1. Okay, so 1. So rate is given, which is 1 centimeter cost is $8 and the total is given 240. So You got the perimeter easily. When you got the perimeter easily, then perimeter and length are given. Width you can easily find with the help of formula. Got it? So in the fourth question, very good question. Okay, two sides of the triangles are given. Two sides 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter. Two sides are given. If the perimeter of the triangle, perimeter is also given 62 centimeter. Find the length of the third side. You have to find the length of the third side. So this is your triangle as you know it, right? And in the question there is a given one side which is given 24 centimeter. The other side is given 20 centimeter. And third side we need to find it. And perimeter is also given, which is 62 centimeter. First of all, before doing the question, check the unit. Unit must be same. All units, okay? So yes, two sides are given in the centimeters. Perimeter is also given in the centimeter. Now, as you know it, perimeter of triangle is what?
64 minus 24 plus 20, which is 62 minus 44, which equals to 80. So the length of the third side is 18.
Correct. So perimeter of a triangle is any perimeter triangle is sum of the three sides, right?
Yeah.
Sum of the three sides. This is the perimeter of triangle. Then suppose write down AB plus CA as you can see in the diagram, AB is 24 centimeter, BC is, we need to find it, we can consider it as X, or BC itself you can write it, okay? And then perimeter is given, which is 62 centimeter. Now the next part is you will add both the length. So 24 plus 20 is 44. So 44 plus X is 62. And we need to find X. So 62 minus 44, which is what? What is the difference? It's a 18 centimeter. So your third side is 18 centimeter. So hence the length of the third side of a triangle is 18 centimeter. This is 18. Yeah, this is the fourth type of question based on perimeter. So now I am summarize all type of questions. Which type of questions we have covered today? First, when we have given given the two sides of the rectangle like length and breadth, and you have to find the many round, right? Athlete has taken 5 rounds or maybe 2 rounds. Any metal wire is for 2 rounds. So what you will find? You will multiply the perimeter with the number of rounds. So you will get the round. Second, we did it. If the per cost is given, then how you will find the total cost? So total cost is, the total cost formula is perimeter multiplied by rate of the particular cost. I mean rate of the one cost. Okay. Cost of per meter square, per meter per meter, per centimeter, whatever given, you can easily find the total cost of the fencing or boundary, any type of boundary. The third type of questions we have learned, there we have given only the cost. Total cost and per cost has given. You don't have any length or breadth, or maybe the side are not given. Then you will find the perimeter with the help of costing. So the formula is total cost over per meter cost, per centimeter cost. You just divide it, you will get the perimeter of the shape. Once you will get the perimeter of the shape, then check the what information given in the question. So in the third question, we have given the length and you have to find the width. So perimeter is given, length is given, width you can easily find it. This was the third question. Now the fourth question, two sides are given and you have to find the third side. Perimeter is also given, that is easy to find. So add all the sides, whatever sides are given. Suppose we have the pentagon, so you will add 5 sides. Here I have given 3 sides, so add all the 2 sides, then subtract with the perimeter. So you will get the this one, third side. Okay, understood?